Welcome to our lesson on the properties of parallelograms. Today, we'll focus on a very important characteristic, how their diagonals interact. Specifically, we will explore the concept that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. First, let's quickly review what a parallelogram is. It's a special type of four-sided shape, or quadrilateral. The defining feature is that it has two pairs of parallel sides. This leads to other properties, like opposite sides being equal in length and opposite angles being equal in measure. Now, what happens when we draw lines connecting opposite corners of the parallelogram? These lines are called diagonals. Every parallelogram has two diagonals. Imagine a parallelogram named ABCD1 diagonal connects corner A to corner C, and the other connects corner B to corner D. When you draw both diagonals, you'll notice they cross each other inside the parallelogram. This single point where they meet is called the intersection point. We can label this point P. This intersection is the key to understanding the property we are learning today. The main property we're exploring is that the diagonals bisect each other. But what does that word mean? Bisect is a term from geometry that simply means to cut or divide something into two perfectly equal parts. The prefix bi means two, and sect means to cut. So, when we say the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, it means that the intersection point, P, cuts each diagonal into two smaller segments of equal length. The segment AP is equal in length to the segment PC likewise. The segment BP is equal in length to the segment PD. This has a very important consequence. Because the intersection point P divides each diagonal into two equal parts, it means that point P is the exact midpoint of both diagonal AC and diagonal BD. It's the center point for both of those lines. Let's apply this knowledge. Imagine we have a parallelogram where the entire length of the diagonal AC is 20 units. The diagonals cross at point P. The question is, what is the length of the segment AP? Think about what bisect means. Since the diagonals bisect each other, point P must be the midpoint of diagonal AC. This means the length of segment AP is exactly half of the total length of AC, so we just divide 20 by 2. The length of a P is 10 units. Let's summarize what we've learned. The diagonals of a parallelogram always cross each other. The term bisect means to divide into two equal parts. Most importantly, the point where the diagonals intersect is the midpoint of each diagonal, splitting them into two equal segments.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.